Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna make a watermelon punch mega tea. And this one, you guys, is so delicious and perfect for summer. Now, we post new recipes here every week, plus a second video featuring the Herbalife Nutrition products that we're personally using, why we're using them, and how we're using them. And so be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss anything. All right, so let's get this made. We're gonna start with our pomegranate Liftoff original herbal tea concentrate. This is also great with raspberry herbal tea concentrate. I'm using original today. We're going to use some green apple sugar-free flavoring sticks, and we're going to use watermelon sugar-free flavoring sticks. Now we're going to mix this up so that it looks really cool, and what we're going to do is we're going to need two separate glasses. This is my serving glass and this is an extra glass. So in the serving glass we're going to put just a little bit of water. And I'm doing just a little bit, maybe an ounce. We're going to put in our half of a teaspoon of herbal tea concentrate. And we're going to smash this up so it dissolves faster. And this is really easy. You just whack it with a spoon. All right, we just dump that in there. Let that start dissolving. And we're also going to put in a quarter of a teaspoon of the watermelon sugar-free flavoring in here with the rest of it. Now this is a half teaspoon measuring spoon, so I'm just going to use half of it. There we go. Now we're going to stir this up. Now we're going to set this aside and let it finish bubbling. See how it's kind of bubbly? I'm going to set that aside and let it finish doing its thing. And in our other cup, we're going to put about the same amount of water, just a tiny bit more. This is probably about 4 ounces of water. And in here, we're going to put a quarter of a teaspoon of the green apple flavoring mix. And mix this up and let it dissolve. Okay, now we're going to set that aside, bring this one back, and it looks like it's about all done. So now what we're going to do is we're going to fill this glass all the way full. I'm going to move the camera a little so you can see this better. Okay, so now we've got, this is dissolved. We're going to fill this glass all the way over the top with ice. And to keep the colors nice and separated, we're going to put about 2 ounces of water over the top of the ice and fill in some of these gaps so your water or your colors don't combine when we put the green in the top. About like that. Now we're going to bring this guy back. And pour it right over the top. Like so. Okay guys, so that's all there is to it. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit that like button. That helps us out more than you know. And also, we read all of the comments, so let us know what you'd like to see more of. Let us know what videos you'd like to see and what questions you have, and you might find those in some upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate you. I mean it. Bye for now. See you next time.